Wall Street with our financial expert Rob Black. The Dow Jones Industrial Average now down 11. Seen some big swings over the last few days. On Monday, we closed up around 60 points, but it was 100 off the high for the day in the intraday trading. Then yesterday, we were up like 60 points and closed down around 40. So we're seeing some big swings here.
Yeah, what's interesting is I'm not paying attention to the day-to-day.
Okay.
It just doesn't matter in my world. As Bill Murray once said in a Summertime movie, it just doesn't matter. Long story short, we're in the summer. We're waiting for earnings. More importantly, we're waiting for the jobs report on Friday. Today, we got a little bit of news. More than expected jobs were created in the private sector, according to an ADP number. The way the headlines rang, boom. This is the second biggest number of the year. This should make Friday a little bit easier. Wall Street closes at 10 today, but everyone from Wall Street's going to hustle back into work on Friday morning for an hour and then go on vacation.
What's been really interesting is that we've seen steady job gains, but we've seen more people now re-enter the workforce, so we've seen the unemployment rate rise. We're going to expect to see more and more people enter the workforce, do you think, encouraged at the hope of finding a job once again?
Smarter question than I can answer. So above my pay grade, I'd like to say.
I don't think there's anything above your pay grade, bro.
I like to see the way the jobs market is gracefully moving forward.
Okay, so slow and steady. We can maybe win this race.
And this was a good number today.
It was a good number. And then we see with the ADP number, they kind of adjusted their numbers a bit. It's been within about 14,000 on average of what the monthly jobs report from the government comes out with. So.
And I would go as far as to say that the ADP number is a little bit more on the conservative side, so we should see a better than expected number if history holds up on Friday, which should cause the market to buy into that Fed Reserve conversation of, do they start to taper? Good news, jobs creation. Bad news, tapering. Good news, long-term jobs equal economy and economic spending, and that should move the stock market higher.
Okay, thank you, Rob. We'll check back with Rob at 9:15 for today's winners and losers on Wall Street, and be right back as the KRON 4 Morning News continues.